Today's the big day. It's Carter's first bath. I don't think he's gonna like it very well. I just fed him, thinking he was gonna be happy. He said start with his face first, and he started with it. That's okay. We'll do it better next time. But this is his first bath. Oh goodness. Oh goodness gracious. He's not a happy camper, but he sure is a pretty one. Look how cute he is. Hey Carter. It's okay. There's Daddy. Daddy doing a good job. Whoa. Hey Carter. Oh goodness. It's a good bath time. Alright, Mama's gonna take some pictures. Here. Oh, I messed up, dang it. Daddy's putting him in the towel, wrapping him up so he'll be real nice and warm. Oh, there he is. Okay, there he is. There he is.
He's buried in there somewhere.
Daddy's first bath with Carter.
Hey, Daddy.
Oh, now he's alright. Now he's alright. Okay. Good job, Daddy.
We survived.
Good job.
We survived.